In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a product on your Wayfair seller account. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your product range, this guide will ensure your listings stand out and comply with Wayfair standards. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to begin by logging into your Wayfair seller account. This is your command center for managing all things related to your product listings on Wayfair. Make sure you have your login details handy to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you've logged in, look for the option that says Add Product or New Listing. This is your gateway to showcasing your newest offering to Wayfair's vast customer base. Clicking on this will open a page where you'll begin entering the details of your product. Now comes one of the most crucial steps, entering all the required product details. You'll start with the basics like the product title and description. Make sure these accurately reflect what you're selling and contain keywords to help potential buyers find your product easily. It might seem simple, but a compelling and clear title accompanied by a well-written description can significantly enhance your product's appeal. Next, carefully set your pricing. Be mindful of competition and your desired profit margins. Along with pricing, add precise shipping information. Inaccurate shipping details might lead to customer dissatisfaction, so double check the information you enter here. With your product details in place, it's time to upload images. Visuals are essential in online shopping, where customers rely on images to gauge a product's quality and appeal. Upload clear, high-resolution images of your product. Make sure these images capture different angles and showcase any special features or details that might interest your buyers. Remember, the better the images, the more likely potential customers will be to click on your listing. After taking the time to fill in all these details, it's important to review your listing for accuracy and completeness. Go through each section carefully. Check for spelling errors, pricing inaccuracies, and any missing or incorrect information. This step ensures that your listing is professional and ready for scrutiny by both customers and the Wayfair review team. Finally, once satisfied with your listing, submit the product for Wayfair's approval process. Wayfair takes time to review submissions to ensure they meet their quality standards. So don't rush this step. It's essential to ensure everything is in order before sending it off for approval. With these steps completed, your part of the process is done. You will just have to wait for Wayfair's